Back to the M&M cooking channel. Today we're doing two things. We're trying out La Cage wings, and we're also trying them in our 5-quart Insignia air fryer. Now I've never had wings before in the air fryer. Not a big wing fan, so we're gonna see how they turn out. And we've definitely never tried casual sport wings before. So we're trying 3 different kinds. The first kind is whiskey, as you can see here. Second kind is buffalo. You can see here. And the third kind is, we'll just turn the box in. Okay, it's not in English. So it's paprika and maple. And they're here. So I've already put them in my air fryer, and we can hold, I believe, 12 wings at a time. You could put more because they're going to shrink, but we decided to go with 12. I put a bit of spraying oil on them just to make sure they don't stick to the pan, so to make sure there's not too much of a mess afterwards to clean up. So I will just plop it in. It says to cook it at 400 at 23 minutes. So we will let that start. We'll let that start and we'll check in about 5 minutes to see how they're looking. All right, so hopefully they come out nice and crispy, just like when you actually go to the restaurant. I found that using the Insignia air fryer has been great. We've tried French fries, we've tried onion rings, we have tried even making bread in it, and it comes out nice and crispy. So it's definitely very fast, very efficient, and it's a pretty good machine. So let's check in about 5 minutes and see how these wings look. Okay, so it's been a little over 5 minutes. Let's take a look at them. Oh my God.
Smells good.
Sizzling, smelling good. All right, let's put them in. We're gonna put them in for another, there's still 17 minutes to go, but let's check back in about 7 minutes. See what kind of difference there is. I hope everyone's having a splendid holiday season, and all the best for 2021. It's been crazy. We haven't been going out to restaurants. That's why we bought this air fryer to give us the, some of the same tastes that you might get at a restaurant, the fatty, greasy food tastes, but in a healthier way. And so far, the air fryer has not let us down. So let's check these wings in about 7 minutes. All right, let's check the wings.
Oh yeah.
Oh my God, they look good. Shake them up a little bit. We're gonna put them in for 5 more minutes and we'll test them to see. The box says 40 minutes, but that's for the oven. It's not for the miracle air fryer. So let's check them in 5 more minutes. Okay, so we're gonna take them out. It's been roughly 14 minutes and they look done. Let's take one out and put her up and see how it looks. Oh my God. It's coming right off the bone. She's done. Great. So roughly 15 minutes for these wings that on the box said the conventional oven would take 30 to 40 minutes. Did it in a quarter of the time, or half the time. So please like and subscribe this. Please like and subscribe to the channel. We have many other unique recipes that my wife wants to do, but if we don't see any interest, we're not going to bother. So thank you for watching, and thumbs up for Insignia air fryer found at Best Buy. Thank you and have a great day.